see how to print alphabet right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every alphabet is aligned in left side. The alphabets are gradually increasing line by line from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal. So in this print statement, modify the code to print alphabet triangle pattern. Char 64 plus 5 minus j is going to print required alphabet triangle pattern. So save the file and run the file in the terminal pytriangle.py. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.